So I've had a piece of plastic, sheet plastic, over the top of this area for the last couple of weeks, and it's simply because I'm copying what Mal's done from the veg plot man, I should say, and he is got his method of growing early parsnips, so I'm going to copy that if I can. Slightly different with me because I don't have the benefit of the space that he has, so these are just an early crop. I'll be doing my main ones later in April. I do them my own way again, but I'm trying his method because he assures me and everybody else that watches him that this is a tried and tested method. So let's give it a go and see what we get with it. Now I'll show you the this has been in my greenhouse for quite a while, and all it is a small tray with some seeds set on the top, and there they are. They've germinated very well. And what he does, at this stage, he takes a spoon and lifts each one out and puts those in those big holes. So let me see if I can do it without messing it up. So he takes a spoon and he goes right underneath the seedling and brings it out like that and places it in the hole. Only I made a mess of it as usual. So let me try a second one. Of course he does proper spacing. I've done mine to the absolute minimum because of my spacing situation. But maybe this method is not for me because I'm just too ham-fisted, and so we'll see. If we get any from them, that'll be good. I don't think the holes are big enough. Let me see if I can get a better hole. Learning curve for me. I'm doing them at the absolute minimum spacing of 10 millimeters, centimeters I mean, which is what these are set to, these markings. This might work better, but now I'm going too deep, so the twit's gone on. Let's see if I can do that a bit better. This one's got two in it, so I'll put one in like that, put them in, and then take one out of the way, chuck it. Got one here. Oh, that's fell in the hole. I'm not very successful, I'm afraid. So if anything comes of this, I'll be most surprised. I think I'll just do the one. I was going to do two, but it's just a test for me, and I don't think I'm going to make any progress with that. So let's just sort that one out. Okay, I'm leaving it at that. Still got a few in there, but I'll just do the one row here. put the protection back. Not perfect, but it's something. Anyway, cheers for that Mal. Don't forget the veg plot man. He swears by it. I'm sure I might get a few out of it. Let's see. The cat that's had a scratch in this soft coir is he managed to push this away, and so I put these like tent pegs in on all of them now, so that if he comes back, it's a nice cat. It's a shame really, but it is what it is. Have I made a boo-boo with these pumpkins? I think I should have took them home and put them on my propagator. It's a bit late now because they've been in about 3 or 4 days, so I'll just wait on these, and if they're not up in about another week, I'm going to resow them. It's not one nut. Now that I know these peas are sprouting, I'm going to fill in the blanks in these small pots, say small pots, 10 litre pots that I've got, with some already growing in. So I'm going to use those there. Just